don't mind these clothes. They're folded, okay? Bro, my room is atrocious. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair tutorial. Dang, why is this shaky? A twist out. I haven't done one of those in a long time. I usually do braid outs now because I wear my hair in braids a lot more often since it's easier to wash and they don't get as frizzy. But today I'm gonna do a twist out because I wanna wear my hair out and see what the shape is like since I trimmed it myself. Oh, also, hold on. If any of y'all are cherry fans, cherries are in season right now. No, cherries aren't sponsoring this video. So for the products, I'm using what I always use, the twisting souffle. This one is almost empty, so I'm gonna use this one up and then I have another one. And then I have the leave-in conditioner from Miel and a comb in water. I don't think you guys have seen my hair in its natural state in a long time. This is what my hair looks like in its glory. If you want to know what my hair type is, I'm pretty sure it's like 3B, 4A hair. I deep conditioned with the Miss Jessie's Super Sweet Back treatment. It's like the pink tube, and that works really good, and it smells really good also. So if you want to try that out, I highly recommend. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna watch Stranger Things while I do this because the new season came out, and you guys can just watch. Everything's pretty much the same as my old video. It's just my hair is longer now, so it's gonna take a little bit more time. I'm gonna time myself. It's 4:40 right now, and we're gonna see how long it takes for me to do my hair. The time now is 7:26, so I've been doing my hair for about 3 hours. My brothers decided they don't want to go to Atlanta anymore because I've taken too long to do my hair. So there's this place in Atlanta called Chopped, and it's like a salad bar, and you just put all the toppings, whatever toppings you want on your salad. It's kind of pricey, but I think it's worth the money. But also you could make your own salad at home. I think I've just been moving at a slow pace because Stranger Things, I'm on like, what, episode 3 now? Oh yeah, episodes are like almost 2 hours long. Yeah, this is what I've been doing for each section of hair. I have to make sure it's really detangled because that's the best, well, that's like kind of the only way to achieve the best looking twist out. Look how long my hair is. I'm just gonna continue doing this and I'll just show y'all the end result because I'm done with my hair and I like to just go in and squeeze out the excess product so my hair doesn't take forever to dry. So my hair's gonna take a good little minute to dry. My widow's peak looks so weird right now. It's probably gonna take about 2 days to dry. And yeah, gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna come back in a few days and I'm gonna take it down for you so you can see my hair. I'm back. This is kind of bright. Hold on, let me turn y'all down. This is what it looks like dry. So my plan here is to, I'm gonna take down the twist, but I'm not going to separate the twist because I'm going to get in the shower. So when I get out the shower, it'll have like absorbed some of the moisture from the shower. I'm gonna put some this island oil on my hair. I really like this because it doesn't, it's not greasy. so I'm out the shower. Now it's time to separate. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some more oil. And I just put like the smallest amount just to get it all over my fingers. And I just put it all over my hair. Okay. And that's probably like the only oil I would apply for the next 3 days or so. And I don't separate all the way to the root. Yeah, crazy, right? I just go down to the ends, because that's where I want the most volume, basically, because my roots are already thick and I don't want my roots, I want it to stay a little bit flat for a few days because it's gonna get bigger as the days go by. It looks so good. It's been about a week since I did this twist out, and the definition is definitioning. When I wake up in the morning, this is what my hair looks like. And I just go in and shake it out. Right now it's like 10 o'clock at night. I just wanted to show y'all this because I did not finish recording that video. It's really giving what it's supposed to give. It's really moisturized. It's not dry at all. Definition, bro. This is probably the best twist that I've done because usually by like day 2, my hair is, there's no more curls in it. I'm gonna show y'all what I put on my hair, like if it gets dry and it needs like something, but you don't want to put water on it. I use this curl refreshing spray by Mio. It says that it's a light holding mist with intense hydration to shine and redefine thick curly tight forehead curls. And it does exactly what it says, and it's anti-frizz. So I sprayed this on my hair when I took the twist out. I just didn't show that part, but this is what I sprayed on there. Usually my hair is up in a puff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it very informative because, you know, my last twist out video, I didn't even show you what my hair looked like days after or the day of. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I really like it. But I also use the products that work for your hair because, you know, my hair is probably different from your hair. But I do recommend those if you like thick products. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching again. And stay tuned for the next video. I know I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I said this last video, but I am gonna post more videos, okay? Just stay tuned. Okay, bye.